Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is Thursday, May 14, 2015. Today is the final settlement uh, conference uh, hearing for the work, workers' man compensation case. And subhanallah, uh, رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. You see, throughout the years with the state and the federal government, I'm talking about the state because of the social services and Department of Labor, Industrial Relations, and all that, and also the federal government with the taxes, the IRS, and the Social Security Administration because of the Medicare and the disability and so on and so forth. The legal stuff, and I always recall, especially in the last since the computer being the internet being the most dominant in the legal and in everything in life. Now everything online, everything .com, everything .gov. You just, like I said before, we don't need anything but the name, especially if it's a government branch. It doesn't matter whether it's state or federal. Uh, uh, Now the depositions and the interrogation and the court hearing and the intimidation and all that and under oath and grand jury and all that, it's become obsolete. Why? Because everything is pre-recorded, everything is documented on the civilian state is being listening to everything. In fact, not only listening, but it doesn't matter where you go, they know your movement by tracking your charges and credit cards or anything. It doesn't matter, even if you don't have a bank account and you don't have a credit card. You see, when you go cash your check, they take your fingerprint. It's everything is there. They take your DNA in court. I mean, yeah, if you get arrested, it doesn't matter whether you're guilty or not. They just take you DNA, which is all violation of human rights, more international laws, and also the Constitution of the United States of America. الحق حق, وما الله بغافل عما يعملون, وما ظلمناهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون. I don't fathom the idea that the government is still uh, trying to convince us that things is gonna be different and it's gonna be like the old days when they frame people and they commit crimes against them and justify it and colonize them and enslave and justify every crime by the state or the authority or people that they can pay for it, namely corporate America, or not even only the corporate America. Anybody that has a couple of bucks can hire a lawyer and say, "Oh, my rights been violated. They commit crime," and it just depends. If you have the money to pay for it, you will get everything that you want, even the president of the United States. Fraud the elections and become the president and have the Supreme Court, just give it to him, hand it to him. Scalia, one of the judges of the Supreme Court. But anyway, so that's you know, people go there and worry, and they think that they're standing before لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. And the question, you know, when I went to that deposition a couple of days, you know, on the 5th, the attorney for the insurance company it's like, I am the defendant. I am the defendant, and they put me under oath, which is again, I don't know why they did that, because I am alleging that there is crimes. I am the petitioner. I shouldn't be interrogated and put under oath that I'm lying, and the judge is gonna, come on, man. Anyway, so, and I'm glad that this has been recorded. There was a court reporter there, so I'm just having all these thoughts, and alhamdulillah. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.